show SharePoint to Teams alert. When an item is created or modified, so this is the trigger that we need to use in that automation. So after that, we need to set up a site, a task list that I had already created. Then we don't need to put any advanced option. So after that, post message in a chat or channel. We need to choose a channel because we already created a channel that I already show you. This is our channel that I have already created. Demo automation. This is a general channel. ID is demo automation, that the current site that we are using, and the channel name is general. So now we have to save this flow. Now the flow is saved. Now it is recommended us to test the flow. Now we will test our flow. For the test, we will always use manual testing. Choose the manual test. Then we will move towards our task list. In the task list, we need to create a new task. This will trigger. This is trigger a flow because it's now add in a task list and a flow how it will behave. So that's it. The trigger runs successfully, and I have already received a notification. This is the message for the test purposes only. If you guys like the video, please go to my channel and subscribe it. And if you have any question, ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.